And sometimes, no, many people will say a kaya home, near who yaw. And today, a young man like Aboagye, because when we sika kosi dan wo ekuapem, when we sika and then he's under investigations, no. Today he sees and say, "Ade ye sika na and that is what he's implying here. Aboagye statement no making no. Or park catcher say, "Ye sika no ni pewu in kokra na we into DN and anything extraordinary." So all these things, and Mesati Dennis Aboagye, DDEP. Do you know the damage at DDEP here? Mr. Get me DDEP message videos when the old men and women were demonstrating. Do you know what DDEP here? It killed people. It murdered Ghanaians. And not just young Ghanaians, so old pensioners. Because of DDEP. Nanado Dankwe Kufuado, any Oforiata na, omu protecting the bayano. Most people died. People who had invested, the government scraped everything from them, took everything from them. And the Aboagye Jina TV so catch Ghana for you say, Abain what banaso what betua DDEP a dear Juma pa na waye. Jesus Christ, this is a curse on that young man. People worked 40 years, 35, 40 years for a government as civil servants, as teachers, as drivers, as police officers, as people who were going up and down every fucking blessed day. A government comes to power, takes everything from them. Some of them died. Their families, every time they remember DDEP, their heart skips. A young politician on any party the DDEP by they made money out of it, stole, murdered people indirectly by taking their money. No, a young politician or belonging to the same party at the TV so say NDC abaya ba na DDEP. So I bet you for wabe yefua etia a dear pa na ye exception. Hey, really? This is what Dennis Aboagye. This is the statement he made. And this afternoon I was watching the young man. I told myself, said there is a big problem in Ghana. I told myself, say, you know, we need to really look at the NPP because I had to say most of them, no, Oma Bodam. And I saw this video. Besides, Mr. P, get me that video. I saw this video and I was so hurt. I was so hurt because the vigor, the energy or the cancer, without any respect, nothing. He just made that statement and walked. And I was like, then a young man, utu biwano eka asem say. Oka asem say yeah. Ghana for we bu omwaje omusika wa ban ba power DDEP nti obi na newu obi papa ewu obi maame ewu ye hu mbre wane nkokora in the first time in the history of Ghana pensioners demonstrating and crying. Some of them could not get money for their medication. But and the Aboagye at the TV so catch Ghana for say DDEP na and through John Mahama ato forcing aban we etuano e de pa na aban na ye in fact so e de pa na ogina waka say the NDC aye saving lives, protecting people. Aboagye because of politics. You see how the NPP, how they are? Let me play it. This is what he said. This is what he said.
Don't pay. But you see, again, it is mediocre. If the government's achievement is paying the statutory bills that they are supposed to pay, because every government
it has impacts in
the economy. Every government pays bonds. So if that is what you are calling as your achievement, that you failed us, every government pays. Even the NPP that did the DDEP started paying these bonds. They started in Israel. The point is this: there is no way out that this government can point to any significant performance. You see, again, it is mediocre. If the government's achievement is paying the statutory bills that they are supposed to pay, because every government
it has impacts in
the economy. Every government pays bonds. So if that is what
you see, the host was like, Ishmael was like, but if you don't pay, it has an impact. Baby, I'm not hosting if you all catch and say, Sasi kana went chance 1 month to grow. And remember, DDEP payment, NPP stopped paying in 2024. Do you know? Do you remember? They stopped paying DDEP in 2024. Enti, so what's now as a young man? Kwasi Ampeng, you person with the party, they now catch Ghana for say. So imagine, Obi and Mami and Papa we because of DDEP. Now what is a woka say? I buy way to DDEP inti. Then I buy na ya. Obe won't say wunni papa unimunyansa. Aboagye is a fool. Unimunyansa. Because even the NDP number the buy, in 2024 they stopped paying DDEP. Go, the records are there. Now, so what could be mommy? What could be papa? from your actions. And it's not Ishmael Busan say, but sir, I didn't know ye no. Unim say nipa wuye because when you 1 month and not 2 months kra we die wu we ku nipa omde omura show mu nurse for more pension. He did not care. He said it is nothing. But you see, he was insisting. NPP cry they buy, we were paying, but they stopped paying in 2024 when they realized that, you know something, the pensioners, they can go to hell. And sometimes, many people say a kaya yaw. And today, a young man like Aboagye, because when we sika kosi dan wo ekuapem, when we sika and then he's under investigations, today he sees and say, "Ade ye sika na and that is what he's implying here. Miracle Aboagye statement and all making or park catcher say ye sika no nipa wu in kokra na mrewe wu inti dia enye anything extraordinary. So ban way to make to DDEP ama nipa ba kokra enyankwa. It is far better than in kwasia for tisemwa. You took their money, insulted them and ridiculed them. At the end of the omu krampodo you were laughing at them. Ebia na refi. Ebia won kai. Debia meka cham say ye show na no hano. We will remind the people of what the NPP did, the damage they caused, how they indirectly killed people because they never wanted to let the people understand this. The NPP actually came to kill, to destroy when they were given power. This is the effect of DDEP.
Dr. Samuel Amaagye.
Dr. Samuel Amaagye. And how old are you?
I'm 81 years old.
You're 81 years old. Medical doctor?
Medical. I was a medical practitioner, private medical practitioner, and retired in 2017.
You retired in 2017, and you decided to invest?
Yes, because I know I had a kidney problem, and it's already at the end, and it will come it will come tomorrow, any time. You are invested for it. That's why I bought bond. And now it's about to it's maturing in September 2023, and I need this money to look after myself. So actually, I want exemption because I can't participate in this. And wait, I'm 81. How can I wait for 5 years more? I can't.
Asking one thing. What's the message to the finance minister?
That means he should think twice. And the example is because now he's punishing us. He's punishing us. He's killing us softly.
Today, Dennis Miracle Aboagye, who worked for Bawumia, contesting to be a national rep of the party. Alternative so say papa we mu asem nyina sa ban we aba be bo mu bia ehia NPP useless. There's no need in fact so be any so aban we should not boast about it. That is Miracle Aboagye for you. That is Miracle Aboagye. That is how vile, how bad these people are. They don't care. Kromfo we obedi MCU say DC Ekufuado Pamano in less than 3 years, in 3 months. Oko sika and then na asam na beda hono. On say gold board asem untimi kebi because we he cannot come and talk about gold board issue because onim say oni moral right no. And a young man, makachira mo say MPP omu so omu jimi. Omu nyini no bodam, and that is what you are seeing. Look at the young MPP for communicating my MPP, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. Omu susan omu nkwara ni nyine jimi. Momu 2-3 years make omu so bodam. That is what we are seeing. There's nothing different on between the Ghana for. We know them. They are my people. I am an MPP person. I am a blood NPP. And I'll contest for the national chairman. If not this time, the next time I will do it. Because me pesa party, I am a full blood MPP person. Nobody can take that from me. And then I am because I am part of you and I'm telling you the hard truth. I am a full-blooded MPP boy. And the MPP now, in my community, in the people I respected, no, that is not the MPP I'm seeing today. This is an MPP filled with criminals, cluster of thieves coming together in the name of politics. And that is what I'm seeing. And you people don't want to hear these bare facts because You kill and you laugh about it. This is not the MPP I grew up in. MPP Kuni Panasre. You kill JB Dankwa, you kill John Kuma, you go out there, murder people and laugh about it. 8 people, you kill them. I can't sit here and support such a political party. The best I can do is to sit back, sit out, and let them know their flaws. And I'll consistently do that to make sure Enyansafwa Bedisa Piglet party with him, and nobody can take that from me because I am a member of the NPP. And nobody can take that from me because I have the right to also speak on my own party as a party filled with murderers. Wajimi. And obi nyini na ohunyansa na alternate party na namode nakoto otankuruwem yan pe Kevin Taylor Edwama NDC. I am a full-blood NPP and I pledge on my honor to make sure I will do everything possible to get all the criminals out of the party. Clean it up. I pledge on my honor. And I'm the sabi otu for shira so etamechi ewifo. Mojibijimi dodo. Edian kwasi asem na ekoso Ghana no. Edian kwasi asem no. Now, let's take a short dive. Na yenwura Asantememu, Sewia Hospital, NDC ba power. What are the improvements we are seeing? And the Oba Asantememu, Sewia Hospital, Ekufuado Achichide no, on a comedian ba Omiabe Toso, they neglected it. Nanado Danko Ekufuado Kumasi so many times. He met Otumfo, Oshia Santefua Hemfo, or catch him so many and get away. He is not going to fix Sewia. NDC are back to power. They are in power today. Today, we are seeing major upgrade. The Sewia Hospital itself. The great Ashanti Regional Minister, Dr. Frank Amwakun, is doing a Juma MPs and regional ministers 100,000 about went to Manye. Let's go watch what is happening in the Ashanti region. Sewia Hospital under the NDC.
The Sewia Hospital, commissioned in 2024, is yet to be operational due to outstanding administrative processes. Prior to the commissioning, the previous NPP administration cited poor road access as a key reason for the delay. Although an alternative route was graded for the event, work on the main Sewia road remained incomplete. After more than a year of inactivity, contractors have returned to site to begin asphalting. Under the previous administration, civil works were completed, but asphalting was delayed indefinitely. During our visit, sections of the road, including the frontage of the Sewia Hospital, had already been asphalted as contractors worked to complete the rest. Member of Parliament for Bosomtwe constituency, Dr. Yao Ose Educhum, speaks about the project.
The road from Fiyasi to Sewia, especially to the regional hospital, and the one from Sewia Junction all the way to the Sewia Township, both are under construction. The one from Fiyasi to the hospital has been asphalted, and the other one from the main road, Sewia Junction to Sewia, is also halfway. So great progress is being made, and I'm grateful to the current Minister for Roads and Highways. He promised me that it will be done, and it is being done. I truly appreciate his support for us, the people of Bosomtwe. And if you look at the main road, they're also reshaping the road, and soon it will be asphalted.
The Kumasi Lake Bosomtwe Road, which began under the previous administration, also stalled for nearly 2 years after asphalting reached Abidjan Kwanta. Although civil works were done, the lack of asphalt left the road dusty and in poor condition. Here are some road users.
NDC for now, they are back to give Asantemai health care. The regional minister now called for Ahoya the age or what when you have position of humanity here, Ejuma Oye. The roads minister is delivering. Akoya Wabejina country, and you know I want to commend the road minister. Asensubuachi be a roads minister. Asensubuachi, why is a bontia? Bantma and a tomano. Asensubuachi, the concept bentia, obey a roads minister. Asensubuachi, Asantini mapa. Nema ameno to amone katumka se mone abenkwai. Brofo kra ho kan anything. Yetam to me man say je. Na ya kwan kwase ampanyi betena nkran na obie flower potter no abuofu ye kan na mubuofu na mutiti moto na mohwia na nkwase asemba butirima na mo kan mo bi NDC ya yes adi omatam na baba be Sewia omo ya na siye omo sa ba ye kwan 8 years mo nkwase afo we MPP ntuma anya kwan anko se we mbie e ma nipa ametinem munye nwan mu bi na mudi MPP echa mo se kokko munye nwan ene mo go eswame ejuma regional minister ne abanwe eye go and see and so still ebenya amokue bi say because of MPP nti ye ntia ase mumu bi na magimi mumu bi na mudi MPP echi ne da bia meka me say so wona muwurem kwaye brentuo mu na wo MPP ni o she MPP shirt sebi osaya santini na wo eye chireben wo a wa fe ne sia beka wa jai wo na se ne komantam MPP ni no because ono oye dangerous chen wo no me say una nwurem you are in the forest bibie ni ho dia wo tia ne kwik na wo pie wo so wo mantam wo achireben wo asantini wo asantini a wa fe ne se a omo ye 10 omo be kawo ekun atwu hunsuo na wo MPP ni ba ko okuta emu konko okuta t-shirt a okuta gele na ono so ba jai wo wona asem ma wo no na wo no onye dangerous sa MPP ni na o shirt no de okuta gele no de okuta emu konko no mantam no pedua de fa ni bom never padlock to ano because ono oye dangerous chain wo 10 because we jimi we ja ubuofu intiminya den wa bodam now we a rock star
and then Jimmy some plan on what myself if you don't I'll slap you over there with that whoa who's back here I'll slap you right now stop it though make her in now down and then Jimmy no am I doing soup is this a soup
oh come on no you not coming can you say for Jimmy you are any and we have fancy as you know Jimmy you and I say why is backing and I'm backing. Nana kamari Kenya and say, Jai Jimmy no. And your boss and your personal, but not camano because it's a opinion on the any more could just say tin tomatoes soup. Boba tin tomatoes super. Now I started tin tomatoes stew. Yeah, now who kasakasa and Tikamani Krabu for say, Jai Jimmy no ye soup no joy. Internet. It's so take kamina. More monster than your dog whispers. Messiah dog whisperer, me a music teacher, Nipo Bako, it do feel me. More Marshall dog whisperer, that channel, me around 2004, me a dog whisperer, a year classes, Trinidad and Tobago. Yes, send me to Quine. Into your call, Hono Satan, na more than Kakra, and Naskedibu area, ho, your friend, a Tanu. Mr. Tanu, no escapa, TNT, Trinidad and Tobago. And one of catch up so, I dear sir, Ujina, who Americano, Internanki, a Fawa by Yankee, and a Boga Loki. Anytime we drag connection man for no. Inti time and your so na nyoma but not Mr. Tano or one crama be but sana Trinidad and Tobago for one say crama to me. Efre crama no munim da. Inti de bia no obobo crama and I'm say no. Inti one day me call Mr. Tano ho na madam for pa no no. O shame Kevin, how are you? Can you come over? Almost no with Mr. Tano. Hey Mr. Tano zo nipa o. And one day me call no ho. Inti na crama no di tin tomatoes na I say the tin tomatoes afra e mo na nkama ni di but na nkama ni person be because na tin tomatoes no omu nuama ni emu ni ncheye nti ho na papa ne say hey na on from about command bako bawo no friend bawo na unti na friend na na lead dog bawo nti na nkama ni respond e ho na ka say bawo e ho na kama ni bae nti ho na Mr. Tony be say this guy is he that guy or thinks about nkama na. And I'm so when I'm dog whisperer. Inti, I don't pay me all of good D. I me qua. Oh, Mr. Taylor, you are here, so thank you. No, my 7 me. Inti, me the we are, Mr. Bow, now my ba, now we jari or monomacoda. Inti, I want to be who dog whisperer, who inti, I quite the video, no. Jena come and can because oh, I say the time na come and voice the baby na or yeah, utria, wo na no ding from the beginning. But H no, short. It was say, Jai Jimmy in no. Dog whisperer
This is what I pour this thing in. The tomatoes. The tomatoes is in. There is a tin tomatoes. Yes, this is the fresh tomatoes, but I have to reconnect it with the tin tomatoes first. And who is saying that is soup? I used to I'll block someone who. I'm going to block someone. See, I'm going to block someone who will never forget in his life. What kind of stupidness is that? Am I doing soup? Is this a soup? Is this a soup? Do you see this as a soup? If you see a soup, won't you see a soup? What is wrong with you? Are you stupid girl? What kind of stupid girl? Is this a soup? And then Jimmy some plan on what? And then Jimmy some plan on what? Myself, if you don't, I'll slap you over there with that. Whoa. Who's back here? I'll slap you right now. Stop a stupid dog. Make a. And then Jimmy some plan on what? Myself, if you don't, I'll slap you over there with that. Whoa. Who's back here? I'll slap you right now.
I was a Kramer Okasa twice. So I dog whisper Jumana, Kramer Kasa twice. First one, I Jimmy Ye Diana Ndi. And again, I said, who is that back in? And Osaka said, Onye. And Onye. Inti, Kamani Kanyo, because Kamano and Kani, or a mixed dog. Inti, first one was for Jimmy Ye Diana Casano. And I can't done Casso, who is back in that you are back in? Also, Nye. It was the second one, no. Who there shot? It all Nye, but when I come and so come no. Inti, me coach to Tobago and Kushia dog whispering. Into whom Misano, me would do a bree. It's all tear second one now. First back in here for Jimmy Yediano, and a second one here unye. In the Kamano and Kranny, and it's not me what area train that no minimum. Way and your mission, and Tiana also soon be free.
This is what I this is a soup. And then Jimmy some plan on what? Myself, if you don't, I'll slap you over there with that. Whoa. Who's back here? I'll slap you right now. Stop a stupid dog. Make right now. Stop a stupid dog. Make a new down right now. Stop a stupid dog. Make a new down.
In the Kamano and Granny, in Gravodog, in Grandma and Gravo, in Grandma and Gravo, when you would know who Yediane. For Jimmy Yediane, okay? And also, yeah, indeed, a human interaction, I'm in Kramai, into dog whisperer, so I interview to be account. Kevin Taylor, Echo Bedu, aka Dog Whisperer. I got what now? It's Ibrahim go no. Yes, I couldn't tell. Over to the dog whisperer. It's a dog whisperer. Incline dog whisperer. Incline dog whisperer. Incline one crammy whisper. I mean, I'm thinking of one crammy casa. What about that? You are so with ya. With ya. I dare some, but filia. I didn't simple.
So when you come, Kokoda. So what you know when you come to Coalition Center, Nakobo. Electoral Commission for home by the MIA. So when you come, Kokoda. So what you know when you come to Coalition Center, Nakobo Electoral Commission for home by the MIA. So when you come, Kokoda. So what you know when you come to Coalition Center, Nakobo Electoral Commission for home by the MIA. So when you come, Kokoda. So what you know when you come to Coalition Center, Nakobo Electoral Commission for home by the MIA.
The lives of the people of Aboagye matter as much as the lives of the people of East Legon or cantonments. Enti yeba hano yebesi toilets amamu yebesi toilets in all yebesi 8-unit toilets, 4 8-unit toilets, 32 toilets in all among the people of Aboagye. Usori na uko toilet, uya ubejari enyasa. Ubejari. Usori na uko toilet, uya ubejari enyasa. Ubejari. Enti. Usori na uko toilet, uya ubejari enyasa. Ubejari. Enti. Usori na uko toilet, uya ubejari enyasa. Ubejari. Enti. Usori na uko toilet, uya ubejari enyasa. Ubejari. Enti. Yebesi bath houses so akaho. Yebesi 24-unit bath houses and 80 in all. 24-unit bath houses. Said there mubenya ebi mubeko na mujare anapa na mujare tu na makoda. Usori na uko toilet uya ubejare enyasa. Ubejare enti yebesi bath houses so akaho. 2 toilets in all. Ama yebesi toilets in all. In all. Yebesi toilets in all. Yebesi toilets in all. Yebesi toilets in all. Yebesi 8-unit toilets, 4 8-unit toilets, 32 toilets in all. Ama the people of Aboagye. Usori na uko toilet uya ubejware enyasa. Ubejware. Usori na uko toilet uya ubejware enyasa. Ubejware.
Before you pound. Mo kan ho ani akobonsam je mo MP wo ba wo mia wo be kan ho ama nipa akobonsam je mpe wo. Nipa nya abotre wo ho a wo be ya ama nipa akobonsam je mo ba wo mia na won nam Ghana ho sa no. Metufo ma woni nda ho wechi gu ho sledge fa wo yire maka kire mo betuma akadem mo pesa mo ka I know what is going on wechi gu ho flowers de be che wo yire bebre red one is sledge dia your friend Dr. Sledge akwa no good no ono wo yire da o dia mo ntina na mo ndi matam sledge aka o se ono ni sika aka gina o be support MPP aba power because on be first gentleman because wo no wo ye koliko nipa di wechi wo ba o mia nipa di wechi a nipa edi wechi a nipa bekobo nsam gem nsem bi a wo ka nyoma bi a wo ye sere bi a wo sere nante bi a wo nante utinko bi a wo bo obema nipa obedipa bedi wechi akobo nsam gem pe wo ba o mia nipa bedi wechi akobo nsam gem pe because we ya adwene say yem pese baby bi no obema ya bibi wo why hu musuefo na oda nipa so untumi ma your CV nye clean da because of unti your CV they call heaven e mu bebre nsem bebre wom because dia wo ye no Mahamudu. Now sledge is sledging. A sledge is sledging because he's summarizing. And if you don't understand, sit there and do mechingo mabondaipa. The sledge is sledging through the simmering. Sledge is simmering. Sledge is simmering. Samo peswa be the evinebe mamono. Sledge is simmering. And I want to talk to the Yoko boss. For the first time in the history of Ghana, an institution like Yoko, almost sorry, no matter information of the Black Rasta. Investigations are ekoso na Raymond Acha, watama Black Rasta. From what I am even hearing, no, you say Black Rasta studio now be a man. So right now, Black Rasta, with all due respect to him, is a senior brother. He has become the mouthpiece of Yoko. Yoko, your investigations going to no matter Black Rasta, which I don't care, because at the end of the day, your professionalism the best, and then the best protected with credibility. At the end of the day, whatever position will be occupied in Ghana, a day will come you will not occupy that position. And I don't care about what is going on at Yoko. All that I'm asking, Yoko must say sledge or baomian pena wakobie company and or didn't hear anything atoso. Obi a company or didn't hear anything toso no. At the end of the day, my friend a no, my detaining no, my investigating a question no. Much the bank statement, much there was nothing I actually say. $97 million now or GD no time a PMMC wo no show in any of the woman's statements. You Yoko, you are insisting that you are doing investigations and imagine my passport. You Raymond Acha, the office you occupy, it's not to settle personal scores. It's to make sure that assembly diligently what the assembly ne kwanso. It is beginning to look like you are punishing the woman because some people from the past government and Bawomiane Samiramo, they want to protect sledge. We want Yoko to publish or come out with a press conference or publish a statement telling us about the status of sledge Ireno. We want to know. Me, what I hate, I might have my flaws, but I will not allow anybody to use to me to suppress anybody. So you, Raymond Acha, your credibility is on the line. If the woman is guilty, send you couldn't be a company to court. You can't be using that office to harass people indirectly. That is wrong. That is totally wrong. You have done some work, sir. I have sat here to applaud you for the works you have done, but it is getting in your head now. I don't care how you are. I've heard that you are very impatient. You get pissed off easily. I don't care. Because but I want you to understand you should work within that Mrana Ediamauno. You need to publish because you cannot have a case and tell me, say, 4 years you are going to investigate one case. No, you are punishing somebody. We don't want you to punish people. We want you to work. We want you to do the work and let us know. I don't care if the woman is guilty. Let us know the fact. Take her to court. Not ultimately defending her. But you cannot hold people hostage. Take people's document. When they even need medical attention, you insist they don't. No, you don't do that. Because Berman, a friend of Sledge, or no 97 million, he is able to travel outside because Bawumia is his girlfriend. No. That should not happen in Ghana. And I'll send this message to the special prosecutor, Kisie Jabeng. Sledge Asamba $97 million. Sikano ekreti. Let me tell you people today, most of you don't know, and I'm telling Bawumia Neire. When it comes to the gold for oil scandal I did, it was many Sledge in a yes scandal. No? Sledge is an ungrateful human being. Gold for oil scandal, no? It was Sledge and an yes scandal, no? Because he thought you people were cheating him. Because the Alpha Stream guy now, or no Sledge in the buy. So gold for oil scandal now, with all the documents, it was Sledge who gave them to me. Nipa ombuno Sebio, why not say nipa? I will not allow that because we need to have some principle. We nipa or say, Udi sam rabisuna di bunipa. It's gold for oil scandal now, all the documents and Alpha Stream and all that I went through to break down. I coordinated with Sledge, the same Sledge, Odeti Samira Bawumia. Now, OSP, time a 97 million issue we buy a PMMC for this sika we ma a Sledge. Omko this sika 97 million. OSP say we arrested Sledge. We don't know the status of that work. The investigations, that investigations now, let us know, update us. Because if Sledge, a primary suspect, is able to travel out of the country, or because he is dating Bawumia, and you are using the office to protect Sledge, you need to understand Emra Ukrumha. I don't care. All that I need are the investigations. Says Sledge Kojina Court. That's the only investigation we are all living in Ghana. He will walk. But nobody in Ghana should try and use any office to protect people who have committed a crime. That is wrong. Into Sledge. OSP investigations now on Sledge, My own investigation, how far? This Sledge guy can stand in public and say, or no, he will control everything and nobody can arrest him in Ghana. Who the fuck is Sledge? Who the fuck is Sledge? Who is he? What power does he control in Ghana? All because he's dating Bawumia. So you people are using your officers to protect Sledge? It should end. Because if you people fail to let us know, any videos it will break everybody down. So our candidate Bawumia Nifie cannot hold for 24 hours. If the woman is guilty, Raymond Archer, put your investigations together, go to court. You, OSP, if Sledge is not guilty, if he's guilty, let us know how far with the investigations. If you have to go to court, won't be hijacking for life. I am doing this. You see, there's never been a day my year story said, me knew been a year story. The only person I've mentioned in this name say, me story, Larry Dugby, PDS. But you know the reason why I'm telling you about Sledge? You know the reason why I'm letting you know, say, gold for oil, it is because that guy is an ungrateful guy. Yes. And you see, when you're ungrateful, there are some people who will take it. But when you take it out, when you become selfish and everything is about you, you want to suppress people because for little fornication or you sleeping with somebody's wife, it does not mean you have to take that and suppress people. No, it should never happen. And for the first time, I'm mentioning names because you see, that Sledge is walking around telling people the last man you about power. But you are the same person. You saw the criminality in gold for oil. The Alpha Stream guy about Ghana, and this guy is walking up and down in Ghana, walking and traveling Now OSP catcher say he's investigating Sledge. $97 million. Where did the money go? And we sit here and we think it's a joke. I'm not going to shout ungrateful people who think everybody is stupid, people who deliberately decide to hurt people. What kind of nonsense is that? Every day I'll come up with one thing. If you people push me, I'll show you videos and audios. All that I'm asking for is, SAR cases me anyway, we want to know the investigations maybe I could do. I'm not fighting anybody. But if anybody tries to drag this, I will drag it and make it more dirty. I'm telling you people. If the woman is guilty, if she's not, let the woman go. If Sledge is guilty, take him to court and let us all see. If he's not, let him go. But that nonsense of hijacking things. What kind of foolishness is that? I have so many people I know, but one ungrateful person on this planet I know is Sledge. And anybody who knows him should tell him, say, Kevin, say, you are one of the most ungrateful people. He will tell you the reason. Now, I have one story here. Yes, say Mine Workers, Ghana Mine Workers Union of the TUC has renewed calls for government to scrap its contract mining policy, giving it until September 2026 to take a decision. General Secretary Abdul Mumin Ghana says the union will resist the policy, warning it could worsen working conditions, reduce wages, and weaken employment protections. Now, I'm going to be binchiremo. And there, you say a year emrantie bi ati omwegu ekuruma omoye yechre. And yechre nyina say omoye Ghana Mine Workers Union. Omo problem, they say they have a problem with some kind of decision be Aboagye a teki. No muhuni said that decision will hurt their members. To be honest with you, this makes sense. That is why we are building a nation. So a group of people who say Aboagye take a decision be na say they have the right to protest and make sure say Aboagye at the end of the day liaise with them to get things done in a way a bit to benefit them. So they have made their point. But let me tell you what this is about. Sa demonstration we are doing. That is not the reason to go demonstration. No. This demonstration, Adamos mine in the shade. Sa demonstration we are doing. Adamos. Some mining company na. Yaji omo license na insane na. Obana. Sa company na share sa anyoma wechi. They just want to make the land minister unpopular. That is all. And then they are going through this Mine Workers Union to put all these flimsy excuses out for it to look like the land minister is not competent. Company orchestrated way. Because the company license na ekuta omona omode ye de enye no and no na Aboagye investigation say hu a omare draw license no. All these things are manipulation from Adamos. A company no and na omo ye den a company no and omo ye den omo share demonstrations which the target is the land minister. The target is to pay him back. The target is to make him look like he's not working. And these kind of pressures you are going to see a lot. Mama Chro. Adamos sa company no. Mebeka oma semi sena broni bi edia. And a worry sa obano and a broni ni wuye and the woman took over. They have about in total almost about 6 mining sites and about 9 lease lands. Concessions are exploration or whatever they call it. I mean, Adamos, let me tell you. Oh, you're the better. Oh, yeah, Aboagye nipa. Now, about land ministry. Now, when you're strong, now head in your street. Obemo womb. Godfrey Dami a womb. The reason why I'm not control MPP Aboagye say. Most of them say show that ebe challenge no our politicians. or something on them. And Aboagye sa obemwa fa march no. Enti or the march ne cheche yama during the MPP era, she became so powerful. Obian to me can ask them. Now the question here is, Adamos na yajin a license. So the question is, a DNC NTIJ Adamos license because who obey 15 concessions or whatever they call it. A mobile 9. You are exploring. You are doing exploration to see say gold wahana gold in here. Now the other 6, you know, a 3 and a Ghana government then aje license. Why? It was all about the government through the Lands Commission. The Lands Commission, in fact, tomorrow I'll come and show you the investigative report from the Lands Commission. The Lands Minister only followed through what the Lands Commission that works under it, what they found, and the Lands Minister made sure they activate punishment. That is it. Amakofibua did not go out there and say, Mibegu. The Lands Ministry, what they did is, Adamos and Sassano, Adamos eton and per the investigations. And that report, tomorrow or so, I'll try and get it and read it for Munina Muntie, Ghana na eteno. Nyamebu oha, MPP for Jimmy Sanko, Adamos and Sassia de Kutarono, per the investigations from the Minerals Commission, they basically sold some of the land to illegal miners. Who read the Minerals Commission, omo report, investigative report on na. What happened was, at a point, illegal miners and omuye juma wa Adamos assassin sunubino. They were arrested. Adamos manager ne ko beli omo. It's in the report. At a point, Minerals Commission, investigations, Chinese phobia, omo mining wa Adamos assassin so illegal, you know. When they were arrested, Adamos manager on record, in that investigative report, you know, he went to bail them. So wuna asasini ya odiano obi ya gala also na ya chini pana na wako belina who gave that person the room to do the illegal mining. You cannot tell me you don't know the Chinese. These are some of the reasons in here Adamos ya geom license no. Now I can tell you the Minerals Commission, what they did was they basically did a thorough investigation. Omobe realizes say Adamos company Nankasakasano, they were not paying taxes and royalties to the government. Over $200 million they were owing. These are things that you cannot sit in a country and say, where they no, they need to take their license. They were technically stealing from us. In the investigations, you know, they got to that realization, say, Adamos in their taxes and Adamos royalties on tia, or the Aboagye almost $200 million on tia. Because when the MPP were in power, na obiem amewu ewomu. Godfredame ejinemu. Aban Sisaya no, she thought she could use the same strategy to make sure say obom. What I am saying is based on the investigations Minerals Commission and no conclusion no and minister no eka said then all the things that we are seeing in these investigations, no, the conclusion is your license needs to be taken from you. Adamos Ayede, these demonstrations you are seeing, it is orchestrated. The behind the scenes, no, Adamos Naye. They are organizing these people. I am telling you. Sir, demonstration PCC, you will see a lot because owners, no, are ready to give up. They are not ready. They are not ready to let it go. But the government has taken a decision. Don't blame Kofi Ama. You need to blame the work you were doing on the land. Now, sir, assassin holding 15 days, Argentina aban anjini. The government did their investigations and realized, say, in Sasini Bino, who their match Chinese for your gala, your chairman wako yomo. In Sasini Bino, untia royalties and the taxes. Aban say you have broken the cardinal law. Emma obi who kwain say all mine or Ghana as so your license has to be confiscated. Simple as that. And then Adam was one small feathers BH munkoye pressure made land minister. There's no pressure. The license has been taken and nobody is going to reverse that decision. Nobody in Ghana is going to reverse that decision. That license has been taken and it has been taken for good. The government of the day will scrutinize it. They will make sure the right people take over those lands to mine to benefit us Ghanaians. Finito. You can't do anything about it. At the end of the day, we own the land. It is our property. We decide who mines in Ghana. If today, Abana investigations, now Abana say, wait, say, undim rasoni ajia, they will find all kinds of means. They will go behind demonstration way, a waste. Adam was the shade. They want to try anything and you could do hona. Yama Obibaji petition. Almost someone here, the land minister should come for the petition because they just wanted to put him on the spot. That's all that they are doing. These are hungry men and women who think, say, it is small money, they can do nonsense. And in terms of I smart obi or you capable to take the petition in the absence of the lands minister. Almost someone here, they want the lands minister. In that point, almost the lands minister. This is these people. Now they come and they say, and then we are giving you September. All that they are doing is they are trying to do what? They are trying to make it look like the lands minister is not competent. They are lying. Amakofi Bua is solid. He's doing his job. I'll come and read the investigation report. No, how much number would say in Sembo Amotia. A man for which take Ghana for granted. Nobody can take Ghana for granted. The law is the law, and we'll make sure we apply it. Now, and yes, MPP for court. I was saying I have about 9 minutes to end today's show. Monana go send me 2 hours, 2 hours spare. We could break 1 month. Go for me Jimmy Muha, me ba no munyina tete. Mi drew peno be askata. Oh, obe dien, obe show one ebehwe. Oh, bodam. Now, legal vacation. Supreme Court sets August 21st, which is tomorrow, to rule on Upon Nkrumah's bid to halt trials. Upon Nkrumah Court say, oh no, yefre bibi legal vacation. Now, legal vacation e koso ena trial eda ho koso into Upon Nkrumah Court or the pen drive punasha the to. Or court also on tiase. Into court, enjoy all the trials ongoing. Now, Ghana is a country where we basically give everybody the room and the chance to exhibit the highest form of their foolishness in the name of democracy. Into Kojo Upon Nkrumah court. Mommy uncle tie Upon Nkrumah lawyer assembly okaye after court proceedings today. Now, Mwankasa Munwe option who say lawyer we we na the sa and I say genuinely. Genuinely, he knows what he's talking about. In fact, besides, get me a year Upon Nkrumah lawyer. Besides, get me that video. Upon Nkrumah lawyer Kasande, you said a friend of Frank Davis. Now, she ni hunimun tutu. Ni hunimun win. Utumisa akwa we die. Osorano pano ye air. The first the kum a APIO. Utumisa apeteshini Frank Davis. O we are not odin tampia to so. Frank Davis is free court no. Oba bontene be chirechiremu. De adekudie ntia e wo se assembly di mo na omo some issues bia omo pese Ghana for eti. Now me bebo Upon Nkrumah lawyer no in some okan ye wi na ebusa MPP for question because you see my catch was MPP for Jimmy almost Jimmy omo nyina mo bodam. And sometimes some of the things they do, their actions, nyoma bi omo ye no, it makes everybody believe said they're making and it confirms it. Now let's listen to Kojo Upon Nkrumah's lawyer, Frank Davis.
But that was what happened. Indeed, that was what happened. Kokuvite is sitting in the vacation. So if you have a serious application like bail pending appeal, a bail, it should be that is the essence of the vacation court. To deal with such applications. But even if she was indisposed, yesterday was when? August 19. If she was indisposed, may God grant her health and speedy one as such. Why was the case not adjourned to the following week? Or even to September? But in the vacation, 15th October. Because by her training, she knows. But you don't let us even get into that. I'm saying, why did she adjourn to October? When she could have adjourned to maybe 2 weeks, September, in August or in September. Why? Are there two different sets of rights in this country? Superior rights and lesser rights? Indeed, when you go around the courts, all the vacation courts, go to those courts and see whether trials are being conducted. If trials are being conducted, they are with the consent of the parties and the lawyers involved. In vacation, you only deal with interim applications and urgent and critical matters.
Kedofrata lawyer new Frank Davis. Oruma pio chen a chen ye bechiwatu. Achimuni on say the team we kukuti say kura. Kwasa someone go. Now you heard him. Or see adentina a application no sa bill no pen application sa adene ba court no adentina judge no ajani case no or October. These are the same people Sanka judge ni ka so ochine ya yetia o make say and the judge the judiciary they are fast tracking the case because they have an agenda. Sanko sia fo ya besaka. Now judge na mamuto October so ntiase. These are stupid people. They are very stupid. You see, there are people they think they are smarter than everyone. These were the people telling us a week ago. Say, Adena court need case in 10 times, Adena the court case Attorney General rush through the case. Adena, the same people, Omako court, I'm a judge, Ajani case, I'm a October, say Yembra, Munya time. Almost no someone tears here. These are foolish people. Now, you the same people having an issue with court working during legal vacation. You want the Supreme Court to sit to hear you. You people have a problem with the court sitting. Now, you the same person, you are insisting the court should sit and listen to you. And then make a chance attach he will run and leave Chairman want me to die in jail. On say and the attach your friend quarter or ma Chairman want to me. You in the case now saying October. You people should understand. MPP for certificateless idiots. For a very long time. The strategy that Ghana for the minima dear, Omako school, Omunyakwa Bruchia, junkies, Omunyakwa Bruchia, a drone Omukodom, Omunyakwa Bruchia, and night classes. They don't know anything. In one breath, you have a problem with the cases running quickly because you think, say, the judges, the judiciary, they have connived to put your people in jail. In another breath, you are saying, say, why has the judge adjourned the case? Why not September? Why October? Why? Are you the one to decide for a judge when a case should be called? So right now, you come on social media, they will come on TikTok, they will come and judge a case on TikTok and tell their TikTok dogs to go and say, Adentina case, October. No individual can sit outside the court and determine what the judge should do. The judge says October is fair for her to come sit on the case. That's it. Now, one breath you pay away, another breath you pay away. What do you people need? We lived in this country where Godfrey Dame, at the end of the day, was calling cases every single day, every 24 hours. He was saying people should come to court. We saw Godfrey Dame 3940, all Pelin or Koba. You people did not have a problem. Now, more and more complaining about fast track, cases moving faster. Today, we are giving you enough time and you have more problems. So what do you people want? These are all Tokonu boys. These are Tokonu's boys. They are errand boys for Tokonu. Their legal career is to worship Tokonu and lick her dirty ass. That is, these people, they know nothing. They know nothing. Makacha Ghana for Makacha say Atacha will run away. Or beg Jacha want to be one so fifi. He will die in jail. I'm telling you, it's going to happen in your faces. I'm telling you. Akwaba kuno kasa I say yawodi tukono. Apia kubi. On the credit obeton I know the MPP how they operate. You see, because they are selfish, it is only about them. It is all a guy now go for MPP. This or lawyer. You need to understand. Say case in the corner or check it or no how to protect himself. Obeja was in suenim. Oh Hanan case AC. Godfrey Dame Metina case in say legal vacation. Today we have called for Hanan to represent himself. Who is doing Hanan? Who is doing these people? It is their lawyers. It is their lawyers. Because legal vacation does not cover everybody. It is not definite. Any constitution be rigid on legal education. That when there's legal education, every single thing about the judiciary should go dead. It doesn't work like that. During legal vacation, legal vacation, now say the Chief Judge, the Supreme Court, the judiciary sees it fit that some cases should keep on going. Nobody can stand and say legal vacation because it's not a birthright of anyone. The judicial system does not recognize legal vacation as a rigid law. No. See, the MPP are trying to make it look like say legal vacation, no. Say ye free wa judiciary ni begu. No. Legal vacation is optional. At the end of the day, there can be legal vacation, and at the end of the day, cases can still go on. Legal vacation does not bind our judiciary. Nowhere in our judicial law or our constitution where we can say explicitly legal vacation is a must. It is rigid. Nobody can bend it. It is not there. It is something that was made up by the foolish white man who needed time to go back to his country to rest. So it does not bind our current legal settings. No. When the white man brought the legal vacation, they wanted to go visit their kids in UK. After they came to be your judges, because after they came to be your lawyers, it was something for them to go on vacation. So it is not binding. We are not supposed to live by legal vacation. Kontana. No. It is a lawyer. And I say the judiciary. Say some cases can still go on. What is the big deal? Unless you know your client is a criminal. Unless you know your client is a thief. You cannot defend your client. You are using legal vacation as a cover up, a small screen to sit back because you know. Because if you are willing to set your client free, you should even be calling for daily trial because you have enough evidence to defend your client. But because these Tokonu star boys and girls who have state certifications, who go to Europe, take drugs, come here, lie to us, learn some stupid accent, always parading on the street in the corridors of our court like they are good lawyers. Because these people, they want too much room. That is why today they are making that much noise. I'm telling you. They know. They know. So it is better for these people, they should go back and talk to their lawyers. Hey, Hanan, chairman to me. I'm telling you, don't trust her. My information is that Hanan and his wife are so disappointed in their lawyer. You know why? Because from the beginning of this case, Hanan Hanan the damage Hanan did, we make immediate damage. Now also Eduane no de bi fa nsase, sika bi kodi baby. Hanan's situation is different from Chairman Wuntumi's situation. Chairman Wuntumi did a generational damage to Ghana. What Hanan did, with all due respect, is not as dangerous as Chairman Wuntumi's damage. Until from the beginning, Hanan and lawyer Papa, they would have sat down with the Attorney General to have a deal. But you see, the lawyers of Hanan were misleading him. Instead of Hanan reasonably sitting with the Attorney General and saying, I get it. I was managing food. There was a mistake. Some receipts were not written the way they were supposed to be written. Some foods were diverted. It has amounted to this loss. I want to cut a deal. I want to sit and negotiate. Instead of going to jail for long term, can I do this payment? The Attorney General is reasonable to understand. But what Hanan's lawyer did from the beginning was to stop Hanan from negotiating. And at this point, there's nothing like negotiation on the table. Who is supposed to be blamed? The lawyer, Godfrey Dame. And anytime I catch him say, "Mo say what case court no, mo lawyers no do na Jimmy." That is why some of you end up in jail. Somebody like Gift Owari needs to go to jail because she has destroyed lives. That Gift Owari no, also them because the decision and what she did, there are some people who would have gotten that opportunity to go and further the education, bring it back to Ghana and help Ghana. Gifty Owari shut down a lot and lot of lives in terms of career. Something they will live on till they die. Gifty Owari destroyed dreams. And Gifty Owari say, "I'll come for 10 years, I will be very happy because we're crom for." When you people sit, na mama sa lawyers are crom for way MPP lawyers opening BBA, you end up in jail. And I know Hanan is not happy. Because the advice the lawyers gave him from the beginning was a bad advice. Hanan is a nice person, that. But from what I am seeing, anybody can be taking care of food, and at the end of the day, receipts near that day, it's food for kids. Hanan did not poison anybody. Hanan did not kill. Hanan did not involve himself in cyanide to mine to destroy. Hanan was in charge of food. So, being reasonable, Hanan can meet Attorney General and crack a decent deal. But this is the situation where Hanan's lawyers misled him. Hanan's lawyers misled him and his wife. Aboagye is a thief. The reason is that our national security system is not supposed to be compromised. Aboagye deliberately decided to compromise, put our security at risk. In any nation, any country that are serious, Aboagye needs to go to court 6 months, or so go them after 3 months. Because Aboagye took an oath. He knows the most important thing for a nation is its security. He was in charge, and at the end of the day, compromised it. And Aboagye is not supposed to be entertained anyway. Nobody should cut a deal with Aboagye. Aboagye has to be jailed for life. Because at the point, we didn't have any national security, cyber, whatever system protecting anything in Ghana. People would have taken our country away from us. All because this greedy bastard and his wife were siphoning, stealing from Ghanaians. I am principled. With me, every day I tell Ghana for say, court, lawyers, they don't go jail. Debia and this MP before we have a party, we have the men. Also, they have only 3 or 4 lawyers. Only 3. Aboagye, Godfrey Dame, anyway, Apia Kubi, and who? And then Akwa Unity, Frank Davis. More lawyers bear for party kakrakana. Debia, we have the men, we have Ekufuado Nankasa, only certificate. A certificateless smoker. Chrono no the president. Almost so and nana dear or 8 feet 9 inches nana no on the only geleda nana kufuado share the brofo yenim say English say French say a mixture of English and French nana papa a president nana kufuado kwa abroche kosua de akwesu a crackhead okona wisi de nima e chen kwankwan one eye akoto say oti wi no de gwa haban mu no akekere ekufuado onu mu wi ti say de odi kwankwan. Yet it's not Ghana how kwasi akeka saa kweku ba kwa ni se Casio watch ena in some keka a hatred towards JJ Rollins. They manufactured a demon, turning him into Solomon. Kweku ba in the group, the hatred they had for JJ Rollins inti nana do dan kweku fuado a crackhead no, they turned the demon into Solomon. Everybody came to believe Kweku Fuado has sense. But the people who were close to him, his own friend told us, because he comes to say, Kweku Fuado will be a dangerous president because the guy is a rebel. He can do anything. We sat in Ghana, allowed this Latin-speaking French, English guy called Kweku Fuado penetrate, go through the cracks. People who are intelligent warned us that this short dwarf is dangerous. He's arrogant, he's vindictive. We sat in Ghana, with the president, he killed 8 souls, all because he wanted to hold on to power. He got Mahmoud Bawumia, who knows nothing about economics. He rattles, he reads nonsense, he speaks. We allow this criminal cartel bring in their cousins, their brothers. They formed a cartel Achim Mafia government. They started taking our land. In the name of God, they said they were going to build a cathedral that dwarf has promised his God. Nonsense. We were in this country where these people came up with a Japadie scandal. They decided to take all our minerals from us to go sell at Jersey Shores. We sat here. We wanted to know who was behind that. We never saw those people who wanted to buy every single mineral in our land for $500 or $200 million. Are we mad? Are we mad? You're bought down. We sat in this country, 52 billion Ghana cedis on its way, revenue collected all the way to Ghana Commercial Bank, to the Bank of Ghana. On its way, about 52 billion cedis left, disappeared. Collection of revenue from our port, on our roads, in our market. Every single money was taken to Ghana Commercial Bank as a transit point for the money to end up at Bank of Ghana. That money, $10 billion at that time, disappeared till today. These monkeys and monkeyists are walking on the streets of Ghana saying they want power. So, then we go back, skew and give power to these fools. Are you people stupid? What do you say, Jimmy Anna? You people think we don't remember anything? The opulence, the arrogance, the deliberate disrespect to our state, our seat of government. A criminal came in and pretended to be a wise man. We made him president. His kid brought in drug addicts to stand in the Jubilee House to use the F word under the leadership of a drug addict. And you people think it's not a disgrace enough, it's not disrespect enough. Are we mad as a people, or we are stupid as animals? We are never going to stop reminding the people of the shame and disrespect this group of cowards, criminal, vindictive animals came to exhibit in our faces. Do you think we are stupid? Inti, and this is a problem. Inti, we should do what? Give power to MPP. To who? Power to who? To do what? Don't we know what Bawumia and Samira can do? Mahamudu Bawumia and his wife. Samira in 2024 broke houses down with the intentions of his husband going to rig an election for her to become first lady. This woman is a foreigner. When a Ghanaian dies, she doesn't feel it. She go every extent to take power and allow terrorists to enter Ghana and destroy us. You think we are stupid? We have fought hard. We prayed hard. We put our heart down to save our motherland. And that is what we will do until we cease to exist. Because it is only Allah who is clean. And no man can force themselves on the people God, Nyankopo Ankasa Echuzi as Ghana. No man. And people think they can buy their way through. Go on in Rosso. It is not going to work because Allah, God in his own wisdom, he knows what man wants. He knows what our heart wants. That is why 2024, he gave us what we desire, not what we want. It is only God who will decide. And what you have done is what will be God's assessment, whether he has to allow you or he has to stop you. And Allah, once again, will make us proud. And he will let us understand we are the chosen people, that we are on his heart. We will work hard. We will speak the truth. We will allow Allah to judge. But what I know and the belief I have in Allah, the omnipotent, the savior, Allah the gracious, will never hand this country over to murderers. Will never hand over this country to people who use his name to dupe his own children. Allah the omnipotent will never go against the will of us. And he knows what our heart wants. Our heart wants a government that will at least respect us as a people, a government that will put God first, a government that will be truthful. And I believe that whatever we are doing today, whatever we are protecting today, it is because Allah has given us the strength to do it. He will protect his own. He will protect his land. And that is what we are doing. No evil, nothing can change the will of Allah. God in his own wisdom will protect us. He will guide us. He will show us the way. He will be our protector and make sure that what our heart wants is what he gives us.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.